and welcome to my channel. My name is Jill and today I am packing for my Disney World vacation. So I keep saying my Disney World vacation. We are going to Universal as well, but we're only going for 2 nights, so the majority of it is at Disney World. I love watching packing videos, especially when people are going to Disney World because it's so exciting. So I thought I would document the process of me packing for my trip. The way I normally pack is by making piles for each day of the trip. So I lay out my outfit for that day, including like shoes, what bathing suit I'm gonna wear, what mini ears, just everything for that day. And from there, I'll just put them all into packing cubes and pack it into my luggage. So that is always where I start when I'm packing for a trip. So I've already made a giant packing list. I've been working on it for like the past 2 months, and I already have all of my outfits planned out as well. So basically what I need to do is put everything out into piles, put it all into the packing cubes, and then get it into my luggage. That's what I'm gonna do right now, and once I have all my piles done, I'll check back in. I'm going to use my bed to make the piles. I have my computer here with my master packing list, my outfits, everything that I want to remember to take. So yeah, let's get packing. Okay, I've finished making my outfit piles. There's a lot of them, as you can see here, along with my cat, Rosie. So let me just show you. I don't know why I started day 1 here and went like backwards. But this is the organized mess that I have made. Over here, this is going to be my travel day outfit. So I'm wearing one of my pairs of sneakers. I'm wearing a sweatshirt, a jacket, and then just some leggings and a t-shirt. I wanted to have my sweatshirt and my jacket with me, but didn't want to pack them because they would take up so much room. So this is kind of what it looks like. 18 days plus in the back I have some extra things that I'm taking just in case I want them, like extra shoes. Thank you for your help, Rosie. It's much appreciated. Wonderful. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is pack all of this into packing cubes. I have 2 sets of packing cubes. These are my IKEA ones and these ones are from Amazon. I'm going to start with the IKEA ones first. They're a little bit smaller, so I can try to shove as much in those before going on to the big boys. When I'm packing with my packing cubes, I don't really care if my outfits are together because I unpack once I get to the hotel. The only 2 outfits that I really care about having them like together are these 2, because they are for our 2 Universal days when we're staying there first, and I won't be unpacking there because we're only there for 2 nights. So those I actually might pack in my carry-on separately. So we're gonna leave those ones and we're gonna pack the other ones first. So as I'm starting to do this, I feel like the best thing is actually going to be to do like all my t-shirts together or the shorts together, dresses together, things like that, so at least it's somewhat organized. In this one, I have all of the shorts and t-shirts for the Disney portion of our trip packed. There's still a little room at the side here, so I'm just going to pack maybe a bathing suit or 2 in here and really maximize this extra space. One packing cube down. Packing cube number 2. Packing cube number 3 is done. Packing cube number 4. cube number 5. So now I'm going to move on to my biggest packing cube. This one's from Amazon. So this is the biggest one, and I'm going to start with my dresses going in here. And there we go, packing cube number 6 is done. I think this one might be good for my mini ears, so I'm gonna try that. So I have my mini ears and my hat in here. That's packing cube number 6. Now I will take these 2 that I have left from this set, and I'll try to put as much as I can from my Universal days in there so that in my carry-on it's still very organized. Perfect. So these are my 2 Universal outfits. So those are in their own packing cube for my carry-on. I think now what I'm going to do is move on to the next packing category. So clothing is done. In this last packing cube, I'm going to do my pajamas and my rain jacket. There we go. So now I'm doing some toiletries. So I have this really big bag. So I have my razor in here and I put it in a Ziploc bag just so that I don't cut myself reaching for it. I have my sunblock in there. I'm going to put my shave gel. I have my shampoo. I have Tylenol. I'm going to see if my big dry shampoo will fit in there. Deodorant. My toothpaste. And then I have another shampoo, my purple shampoo and detangler. Perfect, so that's everything in there. And then in this hanging makeup bag, I have a few things I'm going to put in the little zippered portions. I have a travel toothbrush, I have a lip balm and a nail file, my eye drops, antibacterial ointment, my face cream and toothbrush. And then for in my carry-on, I have this little baggie of medication, a hand cream, and some extra contacts as well. So we keep that out. I'll show you the state of my bed now. It's just full of stuff. So now I'm gonna take my large suitcase, roll it over here, and we'll start packing what we can in here. Okay, so this is my large suitcase from Away, and this is the side that has the compression section. So I'm going to put packing cubes on that side to start with, and then we'll go from there. So those are all of my packing cubes, but I have my toiletry bag that I packed, and it's quite heavy and I don't want it to be on the side that I'm like lifting up to close. So I'm just going to get those couple of bags out and I'll put that in there instead. And I also have, this is my curling wand with like different barrel options. Moving on to the side. And I have a lot of room like in my base bag and in my bigger carry-on, so I don't want to obviously shove this too full of things, but I want to utilize this room as much as I can before moving on to those other options. So I'm going to put, this is my Loungefly, and I also have this Mickey ear backpack. What I'm going to do is take some sandals and put them in here. Okay, so I'm going to put my Turby Twist in there with those sandals, and I'm going to put my body cream in there as well. There's that one. brush fly. Put this pair of sandals. And then I also have my little hair accessory bag, so we'll put that in there. I also have my pressed penny book, so I'm gonna take that, and my autograph book. I don't know if I'll use them or not, but I just thought I would pack them. I have my charging splitter so that I can charge multiple things, so we'll put it in the front. And I have my jewelry in this little case. So there's that. And I'll put my contact solution there. This is my travel mirror for in the hotel, so I'll just put that in there as well. And next, I think I'll try to fit these 2 pairs of sandals in. So it does feel a little bit heavy right now. I'm gonna get my carry-on and pack what has to go in there now, and then we can redistribute things from there. Okay, so for this one, I have the packing cube that has my 2 universal outfits in it. So stick that in there. I'm going to put my little electronic bag. I have a book that I bought. I'm probably going to be reading a different book before this, so I'm going to pack this one in here. I also have my ears and hat. I don't want those to get damaged, so I'm going to pack them in here. The other thing I didn't pack in my main suitcase are my second pair of sneakers, so I'll just stick those in there. Now I'm just going to get my list to see if there's anything else that I should try to fit in here. So I do have to get my passport still, and then I will have my keys, money, credit and debit cards, and my driver's license, but obviously I'm going to be using those, so I'm not going to pack those yet, but those will all go in my personal item here. For toiletries, the things that I don't have packed yet are my makeup removing towel, because I'll be using that up to the time that we leave. That can go in here. Things like hand sanitizer, lip balm, my cleanser, floss. So those things can go in as well, but none of those are going to take up a lot of room, so that's good. Other thing, sunglasses and glasses. Obviously I'll be using those, so I will pack those. Again, not going to take up a lot of room. And then the final things will just be my laptop, which will go in here, AirPods, tripod, camera, those kind of things. And again, they're not going to take up much room. So I've a lot of room left in here, so I'm going to take some stuff out of my large suitcase so that it's not so heavy and kind of redistribute between the two. That's quite heavy in my main suitcase, so I'm going to put it into carry-on. Like I said, my makeup case does have to go in here, so I'm just going to also take out this packing cube and put it in here. And the thing is, I have nothing in my base bag right now. Like I said, my laptop will be in here, all of my passport. I will have my Lululemon belt bag as my purse, but I'm going to stick that in here as well, and I don't want this to be too full because I'm going to shove it under the seat in front of me. So the few things I'm going to put in now, I have some gum, so we'll stick that in here. I have some mints. I have a few snacks. I've got some peanuts and some cookies that I'm going to take just in case. And then, like I said, I do have this bag of extra contacts and some hand cream. So we'll stick that in there. And I have my hairbrush and a comb. And I have my collapsible straw. So with my belt bag in there, my laptop and charger, and then I will also have whatever book I'm reading at the time will go in there as well. So that's probably good for that, because also if I get too hot in the airport and I want to take my jacket off or anything, I'll stick it in there. So that's good. Let me do this up again and see if it's any lighter, and then we'll go from there. So my large suitcase is definitely lighter. I still think once I'm fully packing the things that I'm using still, I'll kind of redistribute amongst the two halves so that it's more even. I'm so glad that's done with. I love to pack, but it's also very stressful because I'm so afraid I'm gonna forget something. We do leave in 6 days, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I will be vlogging the whole trip, so follow along and subscribe to see all of those videos. And you can follow me on Instagram at Jill Barkos to see the trip in real time. and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!